Now I introduce the D&D UL Listed door hinge. D&D UL Listed door hinge, which has been tested to 3 hours fire rated. File number R38013. Comply with UL Listed standard. Available linear total of 18 sizes. Stainless steel 304, 201 and 316 materials are available. We can offer different finishes for the door hinges, such as satin, polish, etc. We can provide a complete range of door hardware, also provide door opening solutions. Suitable for wooden doors, metal doors, and fire-rated doors. Can be used in education, healthcare, hospitality, government and office facilities, etc. D&D is your one-stop partner in the door hardware industry. Contact us now.